Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how overdrafts work on PayPal. PayPal does not have a traditional overdraft feature like a bank. Instead, when your balance is too low, PayPal will usually try to complete the payment by using a linked backup payment method, such as your bank account or a debit or credit card. If the linked payment method has enough funds, the payment is completed normally. If the backup method is unavailable or the transfer fails, PayPal may still process the transaction in some cases, causing your account to show a negative balance. A negative balance simply means that you owe money to PayPal. You are expected to repay this amount as soon as possible by adding funds to your account or using one of your linked payment methods. Until the balance is repaid, some PayPal features may be limited depending on your account status and region. To avoid problems, always keep a sufficient balance or make sure your linked bank account or card has enough funds before sending money or making a purchase. Thanks for watching.